Okay, so I got the Ocean Beach from Ghirardelli. It is the one I got. You can either get it with dark chocolate or milk chocolate, and it also has caramel. I got it with milk chocolate. Let's try this out here. A little whipped cream, little caramel, little milk chocolate.
Chao, they're over here.
People getting a little excited. Oh my gosh, it is so good. The thing about Ghirardelli is just, it's that cold ice cream hits it and just kind of like hardens up a little bit. Absolutely amazing. So good. Anytime you can go to Ghirardelli's, I would recommend it. Absolutely beautiful out here at Disney Springs. Absolutely gorgeous. Music's getting ready to start in that here shortly. I'm gonna hang out, do that, watch that, eat this wonderful ocean sundae. And it has a little bit of salt on it. So if you're looking for something really good, ice cream wise here at Disney Springs, you can never go wrong with Ghirardelli. They also have really good coffees. And with that,